We invite our people, Dalit, Bahujan and Adivasi and minority, to attend the death anniversary of Mahishasura on 23rd of this month at Osmania University Arts College. Since 2010, we the students of Osmania University Dalit Bahujans organizing the Mahishasura death anniversary to counter the Vijayadashmi or Dasara or Kali festival. Why? Because the Vijayadashmi or Dasara festival is completely against to native Indians or Dravidians or Dalit Bahujan forces. The Mahishasura was native Indian king murdered by the Satyabhama, who came from Iran or something or some place. So now we organize the Mahishasura and Narakasura festivals. Festival that means the sacrificing of king, remembering that sacrificing incident. So the entire Indian, we invite the entire Indian national Dalit Bahujans to participate or to organize wherever you are to counter the Dasara festival as the program like Mahishasura death anniversary. This is only the program to counter the Hindutva cultural festivals, to counter the Brahmanical cultural festivals, to sustain our ancestral king, sacrifice of ancestral kings. So now we call from the Osmania University to participate or organize on 23rd October this month the Mahishasura death anniversary program. From this program we should force the demands and the counter Hindutva forces. We can counter like these programs only. So, and I request the student where the JNU and Delhi University now studying, please demand from there to against the program of Narakasura, Ravanasura, Dahana Karikrama in Ramlila Maidan by the central government. Please demand to postpone or to close the Ravanasura Dahana Karikrama in Ramlila Maidan. This is our primary demand to posing to the central government by the Ambedkarites, by the Periyar followers or Phule followers. So we are all from now this day don't participate Mahishasura and Deepavali festivals. You should participate, you should organize only Mahishasura and Narakasura death anniversary programs only. Some progressive persons and left party student organizations talking like this is not the scientific program. We ask the SFI, AISF, PDSU or whatever it may be, Maoist groups also. We demand, we ask you first of all if the Mahishasura is not scientific issue, if Mahishasura is a mythical issue, why your organizations DYFI, AYFI, PYFI, PYL, RYL organizing Ravanasura Dahana Karyakrama on the name of imperialism? Why you are organizing the Ravanasura Dahana Karyakrama on the name of imperialism? Is it scientific? No. So why you are organizing that kind of festivals on the name of imperialism? Because your organizations all are running by the philosophy of Brahmanism, by the philosophy of Manuvada, by the philosophy of Hindutva. You don't have, you are not considered the Ambedkar, the Phule or Periyar. Because of you are always organizing, you are always conducting the programs like anti-Dalit programs, because of you are participating Vijayadashmi programs on the name of Ravana Dahana Karyakrama.
Okay.